So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to position an image here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, go to the top left here, press on Insert between Home and Draw, and go to where it says Pictures right here, and then select an image from your computer or from the online stock images section, whatever the case may be. For demonstration purposes, how about I go ahead here and select a photo of a cat. There we go. I'll use this cat right here. Once that is done and your image is selected, it's pretty straightforward. If you press on the image right here, this top bar will open up where it says position right here. You can go ahead and press on that, and you can position it sort of as in line with text, in line with wrapping, whatever the case may be. So for demonstration purposes as well, how about I go ahead and just type in a bunch of text here? I'll just go to the top here, or go to the bottom, I should probably say, and I'll just type in a bunch of stuff. So hold on. Actually, I'll do this before. I'll just type in text just like this. I will make the text super large just like that, and I will bold it so it's a little bit different. So if you were to go ahead and insert an image again, press on pictures right here, online pictures, I will select the same photo of a cat and then insert this. So by default, it'll actually do it below. But if you wanted to maybe inline or have this sort of position a certain way, you can go ahead and press the image right here, go to where it says position. You can go to, in line with text, ahead of text, whatever the case may be, press on this right here, and now it actually moves it. You can do this as well. You can move it sort of below. You can move it maybe to the middle. Whatever the case may be, you can sort of play around with it and do what you have to do this way. So I'll just move it back right here to the top. So the image is right here and the text is right below at the bottom. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to position an image here in Microsoft Word within a document. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.